In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Zoho CRM. If you need to download your records for reporting, backup purposes, or to work with the data outside of Zoho CRM, the export feature makes that process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. You'll want to be on the main screen where you can access the platform's settings and tools. If your layout looks slightly different, that's normal, since interface updates can happen over time, but the general process stays very similar. Next, click on Setup. This is where Zoho CRM keeps many of the administrative and data management options. You'll usually find it in the upper area of the screen, often represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and open that section. Once you're in Setup, look for the Export option and click it. This will take you to the area where Zoho CRM allows you to generate an export file containing your data. This section is designed to help you control what information you want to pull out of the system, so it's useful when you only need specific records instead of everything at once. After that, click Start Export. This is the point where you'll choose exactly what you want to export. Depending on your needs, you may be able to select a particular module, type of record, or set of data. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct information before continuing. This is especially important if you're preparing data for analysis, sharing records with a team, or creating a backup for future reference. As you make your selection, it's a good idea to double-check that you're exporting the right dataset. Export files can become large very quickly, so being precise now can save you time later when reviewing the file. If you're only looking for a certain category of records, choose that carefully, rather than exporting more than you need. Once you've selected what you want to export, Zoho CRM will begin preparing the file. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. And that's it. That's how to export data in Zoho CRM. Once you've done it a few times, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.